Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new property management system update, which introduces a few interesting features, such as split meals, services stock and availability, prepayment policies, improvements to charges, and improvements to invoicing and billing. So let's get started from split meals. For that, let's navigate to our room rates module, to the meals tab, and see what we can do here. Now we can split our meals for food and beverages, set some custom percentages here. When we are removing the focus, these two fields are recalculated automatically to give us 100% total. And also we can select different VAT rates for our food and for our beverages. So let's save this and see how it will be displayed in our invoicing. So we have a reservation. For example, this one. Let's go and create invoice for this reservation. There is a huge amount of items here because this is a very long reservation for a month. But we can see that our options, breakfast, is divided for food, beverages with different VATs and amount calculated accordingly. Let's create our invoice. And see split records for meals in the invoice. Takes some time. So now we can see our food, beverages, different prices displayed in the VAT table. This helps us to manage our taxes better. And that's it about this feature. So let's move on to the next feature, which is services, stock and availability. So let's go to our services module. And let's see what's new in here. So we can see the new setting called stock and availability that allows us to set whether we have the service to be limited or unlimited. So if it's unlimited, system works like it is now. You can order as much of this service as you need, no limitations. And if we select limited, we can set quantity and specify whether it will be general quantity, and then when we're creating the order it will be changed. For example, I create one of the cribs, my quantity will be 9. Or I can set limit per day, so I can not order more than 10 cribs per one day. So let's see how it will work. So for example, let's try to add some order here for some virtual guest, for example, and let's try to select more than 10 cribs and create the order. And as we can see, I see the message that I exceeded the quota for this particular service. And if I want to change it, I can go to the service management and increase it or check it or edit it in the way I want it to be. So now this feature will add more flexibility to service management, to order management, and allows us to control and specify some limits for the services. And this is it about this feature. Let's move on. Also, in this update, we introduced cancellation policy update, which allows us to specify prepayments along with cancellation policy. So, for example, I can create cancellation policy and select one of these prepayment options for the first night, percent of the reservation, specify 100 for the full prepayment or any percentage I need the prepayment to be from the amount of reservation. I can set some fixed price. I can set some nights of reservation. Currently, it works for booking offer prepayments, but in future, it will be added to booking from our external sources as well. Everything is prepared for this to work with our booking engine, with our mobile application, but we still waiting for the release of those products to see these changes fully. Also, we introduced the new tab to our reservations and to our guest card, which is charges. This tab shows us all our billing items. We can filter, we can select some uninvoiced items. Now I don't have any because we just paid the invoice. But if I will create some order, for example, for this reservation, okay, from the 1st August. And we'll go to charges and select my not invoiced items. I can see them. I can create invoice for them. In future, there will be much more functionality and possibilities with that. But for now, it allows us to manage what else is needed to be paid for the particular reservation or for the particular guest, because this tab is available from reservation card or from guest card. Also, we improved our reservation email by displaying orders in there. Just a second, I want to find my reservations. It's booking offer. Let's just create new reservation with orders and see the email which I'll receive. Let's go to reservations, add new. Select my guest and add some order here. And confirm our reservation. We can see that email was sent to me, and now I can check my inbox. In a few moments, I must receive the email. Yes, we can see that now. And now I can see my orders in the confirmation email as well. That's it about this feature. And also, let's go to our automation module and see the new possibility to create and send login credentials for our additional guests. If I enable this setting and create and add some additional guests to the reservation, and that guest didn't exist in our system before, so some new guests we adding, then you can select this setting to send him login credentials, so he could log into your booking engine or into your mobile application if you're using it with our system. And also, there's a new possibility in room rates to create a monthly room rate where prices will be displayed per month. I have a lot of rooms here, so it takes time to load. So I can check this toggle and see that instead of days here, I will be seeing month of the year. And I can select these prices, and works the same as our usual daily rate, but this one is for months. And this is pretty much it about the major updates which you can interact with. Also, I would like to show you some huge update that we made regarding billing and invoicing for our hotels. I wanted to show you this on our dev environment, which is currently unfortunately down. So I think I will show you that maybe next time, or record separate video for that. Also, many backend work has been made regarding services quota. Everything is passed by API. Messages, validation, everything was fixed accordingly. So to show the full process of how this quota prevents user to order extra, it will be shown with our web release, I hope in a matter of days or week maximum. But yes, the biggest update is split meals and service quota. Prepayments will be fully powerful when we also release them on web. So now it's more like preparation and some core for the future big updates. There was fix of currency format for Vietnam Dong, feedback from client, and also management report average duration of stay was also fixed. And some fixes regarding invoice refunding that included prepayments that were created before VAT rates were added for all hotels. So all that were fixed as well. Thank you all for joining, and have a good day.